So we are back in our next tutorial and we're going to design a little bit our web page. You see we have a title, navigation list, articles and the footer. So now we're going to design it. If you want to design with CSS, so you have always to type style. So we will type style just under the head. So after the title, under the title, type, we will put text like CSS. And then like we said, so everything that we open on the HTML we have also to close, so we're going to close the style. So now we're going to design the body. So the body, it's here, so you can see if you want to design something you just type that word. So you type a body, so then you open the curly brackets. So like you see, we're going to open the curly brackets and we're going to give the margin. So the margin, it gives a size. So it gives a size to the white space outside the borders. So and the padding, it gives a size of the white space just so inside the border. So margin, it's outside and padding, it's inside. So we're going to put also text line and we're going to set like center. So now let's check on the browser and see where we are. So you see that the title and everything has changed to the middle, text line center. So it's very easy. So now, like we said, we design by ID, so that's why we have put an ID in here. So now you see div ID, so now we have to put a hashtag in order so to know what we are designing, and then we put containers. So the name of our ID is containers. So here now we are going to give, we're going to give a width. So we're going to give a width to our div containers. So we will put like 770 pixels. And then a margin must be from 0 to auto. And we are going also to put a text line like center, so left. Text line must be at left for sure. So let's check once again and see that the text has changed once again to the left. So now we need to design just the header. So you see the ID of the H1 is, so this is H1, this is the header. So you see that it's a bit messy here, so we have to put the title on the top and the navigation. So let's change. So we are going to put or to push the title on the top for 250 pixels. So we can do this by typing the command 8. So then we're going to give 256 pixels. So now let's just check where we are. So you see, so the title has gone to the top. The navigation, it's just 250 pixels from here to the title.